determination of the initial rate of alkaline phosphatase activity from serum sample. This is the photometer, which is actually spectrophotometer, the instrument which is used whenever we need to observe and measure at wavelengths which are below the visible part of spectra, because this instrument is equipped with a UV or ultraviolet light. These instruments are really abundantly used in biochemistry because most of the biomolecules and metabolites actually absorb in UV part of spectra. What is the principle of handling this instrument? So the principle is the same as the normal ordinary visible photometer. It has a lamp, but this time beside the visible lamp we have and need sometimes the UV lamp. Then we have here several buttons. Since we are interested only and exclusively in reading the absorbances, we need to press button E. Then here we have a display at which we are going to read the absorbances and the compartment to which cuvette is going to be properly placed. This instrument has the ability to adjust the zero by itself automatically by pressing the R button. But before we adjust the instrument to zero, we have to adjust our working wavelength. For alkaline phosphatase activity, when para-nitrophenol phosphate is used as a substrate, the working wavelength is 405 nanometers. So the wavelength is adjusted by steering this wheel. So when the wavelength is adjusted, by pressing the R button, the instrument is automatically adjusted to zero, which is displayed on a display. Now we can start the procedure. First we are going to pipette 1.8 milliliters of phosphate buffer, pH value 10, which is the optimum for the alkaline phosphatase activity. Then we need to add 100 microliters of para-nitrophenol phosphate, which is the substrate for the enzyme activity. And finally, we need to add 100 microliters of serum in which alkaline phosphatase activity we are following. When we mix the cuvette and the solution, we're going to place the cuvette into the photometer and press the time. Now, and start reading absorbances for 3 minutes each minute. We are following the increase of absorbance because the yellow colored product is formed. The higher the increase is, the more active enzyme is.